Hello guys, it's Alan from ESA. Welcome to Guangzhou Yixue Commercial Refrigeration Equipment Limited Corporation. Our company is specialized in exporting and trading commercial refrigeration equipment in 2014 and turned to manufacturing in 2016. That is Guangzhou Yixue Electric Appliance Limited Corporation, our subsidiary company. And today it's my great honor to make a tour guide about our company. Without further ado, let's get started.
Guangzhou Yixue Commercial Refrigeration Equipment Limited Corporation is located in Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province, near Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport. The area is about 7,500 square meters, and with 15 to 16 workers now. Our main products are commercial refrigerators and ice machines for kitchen, cafe, bar, bakery, and supermarket use. 15% of our products are customizing in size, shapes, temperatures, voltage, and frequency, and even in some functional design OEM and ODM. Integrity, attentive, and professional. Our product is recognized as competitive one in the market, and our company is getting the reputation of reliable and responsible.
As you can see that this is our cutting machine. Our company is equipped with the latest machine and provide the major pre-sales and after-sales service. Well noted about the meaning of OEM service. Our company will do our best to meet your requirements and keep in touch with you in any time to solve any problems of the products.
Yixue Company will continue to provide products with outstanding performance, energy conservation, and environment protection, molding the brand by integrity, expanding the market by quality. We believe that quality is the bridge of communication between us. Your support enables us to be better, and your trust makes us fierce and fearless.
Our company has special research and development room, and here is our R&D area, which is mainly used for record and research some new data of our products. What's more, our company also provides the customized service to you. The logo and the design customized is available, and the new construction with client's drawing is available as well. Now let's move to our package room. As you can see that all the products have been packaged before we delivery. Quality control is the key point that we will pay attention, so all the products will be tested before we delivery. What's more, we will keep in touch with the forwarder about the exact date, and the products will arrive in your port and send the docs in time. Alright, that's pretty much about today's video. Thanks for listening and watching. By the way, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us in any time, and I hope to make friends with you for the cooperation. Thank you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.